everyone, this is Carolina, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite Mexican burrito bowls. They are of course vegan. The ingredients are as follows. I have 2 sweet potatoes, an avocado or 2, depends how much guacamole you want. In my opinion, the more guacamole the better. Vegan mayo. This is chipotle pepper paste. I live in Poland, so it's actually really hard to find chipotle pepper paste. What I did was I bought canned chipotle peppers and I blended them to make this. A can of black beans, cilantro, fresh or frozen. What I do is I freeze my cilantro because I always want some on hand. Usually I don't add pepper, bell pepper to this meal, but because I have a bell pepper that is on the brink of going bad, I'm just going to use this in the recipe. I have 3 small onions, or you could have 1 really big onion, 2 medium onions. You're gonna need garlic, some rice, white or brown. I have white. Jalapeno peppers, slices, which I love and add to almost everything, and tomatoes for the salsa. Taco mix seasoning. I have cayenne pepper and this kind of mix of different things, like cumin and chili. Okay, so all of our veggies are washed, our pepper, our sweet potatoes, and our tomatoes. And what I'm going to do is peel the sweet potato. Okay, we have our sweet potatoes. I'm gonna cut them into chunks, bite-sized chunks. We're going to throw all of our chopped sweet potatoes in here. And we're going to stick them in the oven. And check on them every 10 minutes or so. Mix them up, and when they're like golden and roasted, we're gonna take them out. While we wait for the sweet potatoes to roast, we're going to make refried beans, guacamole, and some fresh salsa. And to do so, or my rendition of fresh salsa anyway, which is basically just fresh tomatoes, onion, some olive oil, lime juice, which is, by the way, something I forgot to add to the list of ingredients, lime. And some cilantro. But to make those 3 things, we need chopped onion. So let's chop some onion. Okay, we have our chopped onion. This is 1 small onion. Grab some garlic, 3 cloves of this very large garlic. Voila! Okay, and before we throw this in the pot to saute, we're going to drain and rinse our black beans. feta beans. Okay, now we're going to make our salsa for our burrito bowls. And I think actually that half of this onion will be enough. We're going to chop it up. And we're going to throw it in this bowl. We're going to chop up our tomatoes. And you can use any kind of tomato here. I really love small cocktail tomatoes, so that's what I'm going to be chopping today. Making my salsa, I checked on my sweet potatoes, and they are, it's hot. They're ready. I don't know if you can see that, but they're golden brown, roasted through. So we're gonna take those out. Smells so good. I'm gonna set it aside for now and make my favorite part, the guacamole. Making guacamole is actually really quite simple. Just open the avocado, slice it open, spoon that out. Is this not the perfect avocado? Oh my gosh, I haven't seen an avocado this nice in quite some time. Spoon it in there into a bowl. Wow, this one is really nice too. Love it. Love it. It's made my day. We're going to make our chipotle mayo sauce. And your bowl is ready. Thank you for joining me in making my favorite vegan meal so far, my vegan burrito bowls. If you have any questions about the recipe, feel free to ask in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed watching me make this. Bye.